Bitcoin is unexpectedly pumping right now, and the obvious question is, what are the next levels to watch here for Bitcoin? How high will Bitcoin go here? And do we have to fear a potential fake out here? That are points that I want to cover today. So and if you like this, then please don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And let's get here straight into the chart here right now. I will go back here to the 1 hourly chart for a second. So what we can see here on the 1 hourly chart is that after this pump here that we saw, oh sorry, that's a little bit too far here, that was yesterday. So we saw here Bitcoin testing this neckline of $42,570 that I was talking for quite a while already about. And from there we saw Bitcoin retracing all the way down to $40,500 approximately, then consolidating for a couple of hours, and then in the recent hours we saw here a new pump to the upside. So I had warned you yesterday about the possibility that we could see Bitcoin going here a little bit lower. And let me show you, I think it's here, yes, so here on this chart I can show it to you guys. So I had told you yesterday that there is a possibility that Bitcoin could come down here a little bit lower into this sorry, it's the wrong chart. Here, sorry guys. There we go. There's my box. So yeah, I had warned you yesterday about that we could Bitcoin see coming here a little bit lower into this support zone here. So, but luckily we got supported here from the upper end of this zone, and from there we saw then this big move here to the upside. Obviously there was also a distorted W pattern here involved. So we saw, so here, just that you see it, there's a W. So then we got here a small fake out to the downside, and then we pumped to the upside. So we saw this also somewhere else. I will show it to you in a second. So, and here based just on this W pattern, so if we treat it like this, so here would be approximately a neckline. So you see the target was reached of $42,300, but we continued to push here higher. And now you can see already here the $42,700 line is acting as resistance. So we pumped here slightly above this, price action came back, went here under it, and retested this here now as resistance. So, and now is here retracing a little bit to the downside. So, but I believe that we will pump here in the next couple of hours much higher into higher levels, and I will show you exactly where which levels we have to watch here for this. So, and for this, I go back here to this chart. So this is then on the 12-hourly chart. So on the 12-hourly chart, we can clearly see that here is also a bigger W pattern. So also with a small fake out, and here now a pump to break the trend line. So if this 12-hourly candle is closing above the neckline here at $42,275, and the next one is starting out in green and continues to push here higher, that is the confirmation point that we are looking for to long this. So I had a long position open, and I actually hit exactly the top here. So that was the long position that I had open for like 3 days. So it obviously closed because that was my take profit point that you have seen yesterday in yesterday's video. So, but I have opened around here the neckline again, another trade, because I believe that we will continue to pump here into higher levels. So, and the next level to watch here based on this W pattern would be here based on the 12-hourly chart, $48,083 would be the technical target of this W pattern that we can see here right now. Even though we had here the small fake out, I still believe if we close above the neckline, that we can treat this as a W pattern, and that we will see the Bitcoin price pumping here in direction of $48,000 in the next coming days, potentially a week. So another point that I want to make here based on the weekly chart, I had told you that it's really crucial for the Bitcoin price to close above this red line here that we are seeing here on the Bitcoin chart. So, and this week it looks like that Bitcoin wants to break this line, and then where will be the next resistance based on the weekly chart? Again, at $48,100 approximately. There is the next bigger resistance on the weekly chart. And that obviously lines now perfectly up with the W pattern that I've just shown you. And also here on the MACD, we can see the trend line is now pinching a little bit more to the upside to get us this bullish cross if this weekly candle is closing here approximately, let's say $43,000, $44,000 in that kind of area, then we will get this cross, and that will obviously lead to a further push here to the upside. So when we go back here now to the 4-hourly chart, what we can also see there is that the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average have already crossed here in a bullish manner. So we got here our bull cross. So, and that is obviously another reason why we see the Bitcoin price here now pumping to the upside, because we got this bullish cross. The 50 is continuing to trend here to the upside. So, and in the worst case, what we can expect here is that the price comes back to retest the 50, gets then supported from there and pushes back to the upside. So what we want to see now is that the 50 continues to trend here to the upside, kind of like this. So, and if the Bitcoin price would turn around and we touch here then the 50, that we are still above $42,000, $43,000. So for the next couple of days, I'm looking forward to see the 50 continuing to trend it to the upside, to gain here more support based on the 50 and also based on the 200. So I would like to see the 200 to turn around here a little bit more and follow the 50 here in an upwards trajectory. So then let's have a look quick on my trade here. So obviously, don't forget, guys, if you want to trade, you can go to Bybit. There you still get $4,100 with my link that's in the pinned comment below the video. And also on Phemex, you still get $4,100 with the link in the video description. So right now, my trade is here a little bit underwater, which is absolutely fine. We have seen this before. I was the last time when I showed you my trade 35% in minus. But when we look here on my closed positions, for the last couple of days, then you can see I have here most of the time only racked in profits. So here 0.22 Bitcoins, here 0.03, here I lost 0.14, then I made again 0.20, then today I made again 0.16 approximately. When I closed here my trade at $43,000. So, and now I have a new position open, a $250,000 position open at $42,622. And yeah, so I'm not really that much here in a loss right now. Like I said, I believe we will pump here high. If not, then I will again set an order close to my liquidation price to increase my position to avoid liquidation here, because I believe from here there's only one way that we are going, and that is way more up. So then let's have also a look on Ethereum. I did not look before, so maybe we're already at $3,000. Yes, so we are above $3,000. Guys, I swear you, I did not look before. I really did not look before. So that's pretty amazing. So if you were in a trade where I called this all the way back down here, so I called this all the way back down here, that Ethereum will go here in the next 2 weeks to $3,048. Then congratulations, guys, we have hit this target to the dollar. I cannot make this up. Look here, we even shot a little bit above this. We went here all the way to $3,050. So I was highly accurate with this, guys. So, and now obviously the next thing happened, exactly what I was also expecting, that we would see a retracement from this, but now we are coming here back up. We are trading above $3,000. That's the level that we want to hold now, so that Ethereum can move in direction of $4,000. But obviously we have to break here a major resistance level with a $3,170 level, and above was the next one here, 3,355 and 3,565 respectively. So, but for the immediate short term, if you're not in a trade and you're looking for an Ethereum trade, wait for the $3,048 level to be broken again, so that we find support above this, and then you can open a new Ethereum trade and trade this all the way up to $3,170. Take partial profits and then ride this here continuously up into the next resistance levels, all the way up to potentially $4,000 or even $5,000 in the next 3 to 6 weeks, in my opinion. So you see, we are making here amazing profits. I yesterday shared also the the profit report that, for my Signals channel if you want to make your profits with trades that I'm not sharing here on YouTube, but in my paid Signals channel. Then go also into the video description. There is a link that you can directly reach out to my staff that will hook you up with the Signals channel. So then let's look here on the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance was here also dropping out of this rising channel that I was talking about. So, and learn and behold, we got here really close to the 42.27% level, where I had told you guys that most likely we will see from there a small bounce, then a little bit sideways movement before we break then here lower and will start a new altcoin season. So that's exactly also what I'm seeing here right now. So we got here now the small bounce from this Bitcoin dominance here. So we will see here a little bit shoppiness in my opinion before we break here lower. So and that's what I'm looking out for the immediate short term. So the resistance here for the Bitcoin dominance is around 43.14%. I don't see the Bitcoin dominance breaking through this unless Bitcoin would go here in one big 4-hourly candle to like $45,000. Then obviously the Bitcoin dominance would massively also increase here to the upside and potentially smash through this. But unless that is happening, I don't see this, and I see us bouncing here between support and resistance until we break here the support and go here lower. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I thank you so much for watching. Also, thank you so much for 29,500 subscribers on my channel. We are so close to 30,000. It would be amazing if you can help me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already, so that we can get to this massive milestone and crack 30,000 subscribers. That would be amazing. Other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, really important, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.